One of the many plazas in Spain. It's a little touristy, but still beautiful.
When it's bar meets world, it's bar meets world.
Bar meets world.
When bar's meeting the world, he's snowboarding too. When it's bar meets world.
Yes. Damn. Alright, Madrid. A lake in a park in Madrid. The themes for these kids' trampolines in Spain are awesome. Definitely didn't have these as a kid. So cool. It's January 6th and they still have all this Christmas stuff out. Welcome to Madrid, I guess. I'm about to be an English teacher tomorrow in Spain. What the? I'm just realizing this is my first commute to a day job in almost 2 years. Oh my god. I don't know how people get up this early. It's 8 a.m., sun's barely up in Madrid, and it is the first day of teaching. Oh boy. It is definitely their version of the boonies. Lots of rolling hills and nothingness, and then a small town. And it's really cold, really pretty. I'm tired and excited. Let's do it. Day of me officially being an assistant English teacher went far better than I expected. The kids were really cool. The teachers that I work with, they all speak English. The guy that I report to, he's super cool, super chill. Unfortunately, I can't really film in the school with the kids or anything, but it should be a really interesting, fun experience. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be challenging, but it's going to be it's going to be something that I never thought I'd do, but I'm excited for it. So, yeah, stay tuned for more updates and some shenanigans as we explore this really, really cool city of Madrid. Stay tuned. As always, if you haven't already, go ahead and leave a comment below, subscribe, give a little thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon.